Austin. So we're here, we're just chilling at the buggy. The whole cars, we're gonna be vlogging and we're going to Clean Culture today. We got Uncle Mike with the mac and cheese. Yo, Uncle Mike. Yo, hit that dance, Uncle Mike.
I'm not dancing for you again, no.
Yes. Yo, we got the birthday boy over here with the sombrero. Oh. Yo, you got twins, look at that. You got twins, the Map and Gio.
So we don't lose each other at the place.
You definitely gonna lose each other at the place. You know how big that shit is?
That shit fun.
Yo, we're right now, how many cars we're deep? We're like two, there's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15? 15? Not bad.
Something like that.
Something like that.
Oh, yeah, I never counted the Audi.
Yeah, the Audi, like literally. And I put it up on Facebook as well, so let's see what happens.
The blue
Oh, GLI is not coming, that's true. Mingo's not coming. Huh? Yo, that Evo is gorgeous, bro. Bro, they're gonna be smoking our asses. We're like the slowest, they're the fastest one. We're gonna be literally trying to keep up, but now we're just waiting for more people to come. This little vlog, we're gonna literally be rolling out to Clean Culture, waiting for a couple more cars, and then we'll be heading out. Yo, my boy came with the mac and cheese. That mac and cheese on deck. Woo! What?
It's so bomb.
Jerk! And what are you, blind? This place is deserted. So just find yourself a table and stop being an asshole.
Oh, so we made it. We finally made it here after so much traffic. We made it.
We made it.
After calling out of work for like the 17th time.
Hey, don't put me on the blast like that.
We made it.
The bumper made it.
The bumper made it.
Wow.
I saw that shit as soon as I was.
Bro, that thing had a V. That thing like Vegeta, like
That shit was like this.
that ass. Oh man. We're literally in the shade, and then come out, and my dumbass wore black. Keep looking. Let's keep walking. Looking at some cars. Lineup for today over here at Clean Culture. We're literally about to head out, and we're going to the lake. Too hot. Great show.